Welcome to our magical land, where fruits and veggies are so grand. Hi friends, I'm Luna. I'm Luna. Follow me to the yummiest land you'll ever see. I'm Rosa. I'm Misty. I'm Isa. And I'm Luna. Fruits and veggies, big and small, come learn blah and all. Fruits and veggies, big and small, come learn blah, blah, and all. Whoa, look at this! Apple, 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 and sweet. Say it with me. Apple! Apple, apple, apple! Whoa, bananas! Banana, banana, yellow and long. Eating bananas makes you strong. Can you say banana? Banana, it can help and yum, yum, yum. Ooh, carrots. Orange nuts. Pull it up, step. So crunchy and yummy. Carrot, carrot, orange and bright. Crunchy carrots every bite. Carrot, can you say it? C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Crunchy, munchy, nom, nom, nom. Strawberries, my favorite. The red and tiny, sweet as can be. Strawberry, red and sweet. Yes, these those summer trees. Say strawberry. Strawberry, sweet and red and makes you merry.
Whoa, giant broccoli trees.
Green and tall little trees. Hey, this is actually good.
Broccoli, broccoli, eat it up. Healthy and green fills your cup.
Broccoli makes you strong. Say broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli, strong and healthy. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks. They match my wing. The grapes are floating. So cheap.
Grapes, grapes, purple and round. The juiciest fruit can be found. Corn! It's so tall. It's so tall. It turned to popcorn. Corn, corn, yellow and bright. Pop it open, hide to what delight. Say corn. Corn, cold, plenty, and night. We learned our fruits and veggies today. Hooray! Apple, banana, cantaloupe, strawberry, plus fun and less broccoli. Can you name them all? Fruits and veggies, eat them, they smooth and cartoon. Let's play the fruit and veggie game. What red fruit is hiding? We don't know. It's an apple. You got it right. Apple, apple, red and sweet. You are so smart, what a feat! What orange veggie is this? I'll pretend to hide the answer. mystery fruit in yellow sparkles.
What yellow fruit is this?
Banana! Banana, banana, yellow and fun. Yellow is a slang of a one. The magic day is ending now. We learned so much, take a bow. Good night, apple. Good night, strawberry. Good night, apple. Good night, carrot. Good night, strawberry. Sing like a parrot. Good night, grass. Good night, banana. Good night, broccoli. Good night, corn. See you all again tomorrow morn. What did we learn today, friends? Apple! Ask your mom or dad, what fruits can you eat today? Eat your fruits and these too. They are so good like you.
See you next time, friends.
Happy bye, friends. The magic never ever ends. Let's fly to the fruit trees. They're so big and colorful. I love the nature here. Look, the stars are twinkling. Time to sleep on our clouds.